Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chili's enchilada soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 cups of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of masa harina, and 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Don't forget cooked chicken, shredded cheese, and corn tortillas. Also, prepare a roux with 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. Finally, have heavy cream and your favorite seasonings on hand. Let's start by building the soup's rich base. Sauté 1/2 cup of diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a large pot until they are fragrant. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Gradually whisk in 6 cups of chicken broth, ensuring no lumps form. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes, letting the flavors deepen. Now, let's thicken our delicious soup. In a separate small pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour to create a roux. Cook this for 1 minute, then gradually whisk it into your simmering soup base. Add 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken and 1 cup of thinly sliced corn tortilla strips. Continue to simmer for another 10 minutes, allowing the soup to thicken beautifully. For the grand finale, let's add the creamy richness. Stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese until melted and smooth. Taste and adjust your seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of extra cheese, or some crispy tortilla strips. Your homemade enchilada soup is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.